Hello everyone, my name is Marina Mikhailovna and I'm your English teacher. Look at these items. Of course you see that they are connected with the computers. How often do you use them? Посмотри на эти предметы. Очевидно, что они связаны с компьютером. Как часто ты их используешь? You see the phrases. Try to think about each item and use the phrases to make sentences. Pause the video, then check. Посмотри, у нас здесь есть фразы. Их нужно соединить с различными предметами на картинках. Подумай, как их правильно соединить в предложение. У тебя есть образец. Поставь видео на паузу, а потом проверь. Example.
We use a webcam to see people through the internet.
Webcam уже разобрали. What do you think about screen?
We use a screen to see files.
CD, DVD drive.
We use a CD or DVD drive to read CDs or DVDs.
Speakers.
We use speakers to listen to music.
Mouse.
We use a mouse to move around the screen.
Keyboard.
We use a keyboard to type.
Scanner.
We use a scanner to make a copy of a photo.
Printer.
We use a printer to print documents.
Today we're talking about the house which is very smart. And the text is called Smarter Than the Average House. Мы сегодня с вами поговорим об очень умных домах, которые сейчас становятся все более распространенными. Почитаем с вами о них текст. Конечно же, умные дома полны различных технологий, в том числе компьютерных. So, have a look at the first paragraph of the text. Посмотри внимательно на первый абзац текста. What do you think is the text about? Как думаешь, о чем речь? Ставь видео на паузу и читай отрывок. Let's watch the video to check your ideas.
Would you say that you live in comfort? Do you have machines around the house to make your life easier? Do you know how clever a house can actually be? What is a smart house? When you are out of the house, does your fridge call the supermarket to order food you have run out of? Or does your heating system communicate with the bath? When you get back home, does your house recognize you and say hello? The chances are your house doesn't do these things. But for the house of the future, all this and more is possible. Researchers say that technology will change your home in a way that you can only dream of. Nanotechnology will clean your windows, smart spoons will check how hot or cold your soup is, and the walls will sense if there is anyone in your garden. Imagine living in a house like this. Your electrical appliances will be smarter too. You won't need to check to see if the food in your fridge is fresh. The fridge will do it for you. The next generation of fridges will use the internet to get in touch with the supermarket to order some more. Payment will also take place online. So the days of popping out to the supermarket to buy a carton of milk will be over. You are on your way home after a long and tiring day, and the only thing you're dreaming about is a hot, relaxing bath as soon as you get home. No need to worry. In the house of the future, just text a message to the heating system and it will have warm water ready by the time you get in the door. It may even have the water running, so as soon as you walk through the door, you can jump in the bathtub and relax. And there is more. Scientists say that even the doorknobs in our future homes will be intelligent. If, for example, you are carrying some heavy bags, then a smart doorknob could open the door for you. And it could also lock all the doors of the house and contact the police if a burglar tried to break in. Living in a smarter house will make life safer and a lot easier. People will have more free time to relax and do the things they really enjoy. How soon do you think this future will become a reality?
To continue working with the text, we need to get acquainted with new vocabulary. Чтобы лучше разобраться в тексте, познакомимся с новыми словами.
Bank account. Bank account. Contact. Contact. Doorknob. Doorknob. Heating system. Heating system. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology. Run out of. Run out of. Transform. Transform.
When you listen to the text, remember our life hack with who, when and where. Когда будешь слушать текст, вспомни про наш лайфхак. Who, кто или что. В тексте главный. When, когда происходит действие. Where где.
When you're out of the house, is the fridge on the phone to the supermarket? Is the heating system having a word with the bath? And when you get back home, does the doorknob recognize you and say hello? Probably not, but in the house of the future, all this and more is possible. Researchers say that technology will transform your home in ways you can only dream about. Nanotechnology will clean your windows. Intelligent spoons will check how hot or cold your soup is. And the walls will sense if anyone is in your garden. The next generation of fridges will use the internet to make sure your food stays fresh, and they'll get in touch with the supermarket to order some more. The money will come straight out of your bank account, and you'll never run out of milk again. Imagine you're on the bus home after a hard day's work and feel like a warm bath when you get back. All it takes in the house of the future is a quick text message to the heating system. The heating system warms the water and even runs the bath, so that as soon as you walk through the front door, you can jump in and relax. And what about the doorknob? Scientists say that a doorknob with a computer could see someone walking up the path with bags of groceries and open the door for them. At the same time, it could lock all doors and contact the police in case of burglary. And the best thing about all this is that it will soon be part of our daily routine.
So have you found out our life hack questions? Who or what? Smart house. О ком или о чем речь? Об умном доме. When? Когда же у нас будут такие умные дома? Nearest future. Надеемся, что в ближайшем будущем. Where? Где будет все это происходить, что описано в тексте? At our houses. У нас в домах. When we talk about any smart things, we need to be very careful. Когда мы говорим о различных умных современных вещах, нужно все-таки быть осторожными, потому что интернет — это вещь такая, она как бы полезная, но может быть довольно-таки опасной. So, how to give advice? Как дать совет по поводу использования интернета и всего, что с ним связано, с умными домами и так далее. We use should, shouldn't to give advice. Все предельно просто. Следует. Should, shouldn't не следует. После модального глагола should или shouldn't следом ставим обычный глагол без каких-либо окончаний. You should take an umbrella. Тебе следовало бы взять зонт. They shouldn't eat junk food. Не следует есть неполезную еду. Look at the phrases below. Try to make up the advice using these phrases. Посмотри на фразы внизу. Тебе нужно будет составить с ними советы. Give your name to somebody online. Раздавать свое имя кому-то в сети. Следует или не следует? Use an antivirus program. Использовать антивирусную программу. Have a password. Иметь пароль. Keep a backup of files. Сохранять резервное копирование. Use a username. Использовать имя пользователя. Give out personal information. Раздавать личную информацию. Meet strangers you chat to online. Встречаться с незнакомцами, с которыми общаешься онлайн. Поставь видео на паузу, а затем проверь, правильно ли ты составил предложение, используя should, shouldn't. Example.
You shouldn't give your name to someone online. You should use an antivirus program. You should have a password. You should keep a backup of files. You should use a username. You shouldn't give out personal information. You shouldn't meet strangers you chat to online.
You should to be careful online. В любом случае, находясь в сети, нужно быть очень аккуратным. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.